Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the surface indicator of a Mercedes Vito 2016 model, also called Mercedes Metris. This is slightly different than other model Mercedeses, so I'm going to show it step by step so you can do it for yourself. Okay, first of all, we're going to use these two buttons over here and these two buttons. First of all, ignition must be in the first position with just the airbag indicator on. Once you have done this, use the menu button, the up button, the top button to find the total odometer. This one, yes. Then we're gonna press 6 times the R button, and when you hit it 6 times, the second step is to press the plus and the minus button, but very quickly the plus and the minus button after. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus minus, hold, and after a few seconds you'll see this one. This is a secret menu of the surface. You can go through it by hitting the menu button over here and find Assist Plus. Once you have found this, press the R button, the menu button again, full surface, R button, menu button, full surface, R button again, confirm surface A, R button again, oil grade, this one, hit the plus button, and surface carried out, yes or no. Minus is for cancel and plus is for yes. Yes, cannot be undone, another plus, and once you have done this, you'll see that the surface indicator has reset. That was it. This is slightly different than other models, so I'm happy to share that with you and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.